Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Here we will going to withdraw seed tokens and sell it easily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are going to participate in new testnet and DEPIN airdrop projects. So first of all, you can use Telegram app or Telegram web in order to connect your Telegram account into the seed website. Here it comes to the a bot, and the bot is not working. Okay, so we cannot use the Telegram app here. Then we should use the Telegram web, and you enter your mobile phone, then you confirm a text. Okay, a text comes from Telegram into your account and you confirm it. As you can see here, I have approached the SeedGo website in order to access my Telegram account, and after that you confirm the and approve the access to your account. Here you can connect your Sui wallet. You don't need to go to Google Play and use Google Play for downloading. You can just add extension. Okay, you should add Sui wallet extension. If you download the wallet, it won't work. So after installing the extension, you should just click on the extension and create the wallet. And don't forget to use Mises browser, because Chrome browser won't install any extension on your phone. Okay, use a good extension. Okay, a Mises browser, so you can install the extension on Mises browser. You can find Mises browser in the Google Play. So here you see Seed, Solve, and Sui in the sending app, and in your wallet you see whatever you have. Okay, you see Seed and Sui in my wallet. Okay, because I have sold my seed before. And in the sending app you can see the seed amount in your bot. Okay, you want to send from sending app into your wallet, and then you can sell them. You should have a little bit Sui, for example 0.1 Sui in your wallet. Okay, in order to cover for the fees. And then you come to the as you can see, this is the Mises browser I have installed, and this is the Sui wallet. Okay, when you install the Mises browser, you can go to this part. It looks like it's a puzzle, and you can see the Sui wallet there after downloaded it directly from the webstore.google.com. Okay, and don't hit the remove button. You should just install it, and that's all. You don't need to do anything. And whenever you see a bug, okay, put your browser in the desktop site mode. Okay, in the desktop mode it runs more smoothly. It didn't work well, okay, then you should use the laptop for this. Okay, and here you can see that seed. You should choose seed in the sending app and the amount that you want to withdraw. Okay, and then after the withdrawal you confirm a transaction. That's all. And then you can see your seed tokens in your wallet. Yeah, after you see in your wallet, and then you can go to the wallet. Okay, Sui wallet, and here you can see your seed or Sui, and then yeah, that's all. And then you can hit the send button and go to the for example KuCoin exchange, and then you can copy your address and put it in the recipient address and hit the send button. And that's how you can sell your seed tokens. But don't forget to have 0.1 Sui for covering the fees. Yeah, that's all. Guys, we won't participate in Telegram airdrops anymore. We are doing the testnet and DEPIN projects. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye bye, see you.